Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes VLC media player, how to convert AVI to MP4. Click Media, Convert or Save. Click Add. Select AVI file. Click Convert Save. Select MP4. Click Settings. Make sure MP4 is selected. Select Destination folder. Click Save. Click Start. MP4 conversion completed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.